The beauty of Barrilito is that all of the products have their moment to shine. In my opinion, I'm a big fan of the Ron del Barrilito 3 stars. It is the original Ron del Barrilito that Pedro Fernandez started back in the 1800s. It's a classic, it's an everyday type of rum that is so versatile, can be used in cocktails and sipping at the same time, and really just embodies what is premium rum and what is Puerto Rican rum.
We have to keep in mind that water represents more than 50% of the total volume of the rums. If you have a clean water, meaning that a water that hasn't been neutralized or filtered, that's what we call a pure water, and that's what we are getting from the rain.
Yes, we do use sherry casks. We use 500-liter sherry butts. They're very large, and they have a very high liquid volume to surface area of wood ratio. When Pedro went to France to study chemical engineering, he learned and mastered the art in the world of cognac. The volume to surface area ratio gives a very unique flavor profile that allows for an incredible evolution and synergism between the wood, the maceration process, and the wine involved in aging altogether. We continue to use these same 500-liter sherry butts today, maintaining the same process and same formula that was developed back in the early 1800s by Pedro. The Hacienda Santa Ana is a place that holds in a lot of people's hearts. You look at Puerto Rico as an island, and it's an island full of rich history, dating back to the 1400s, 1500s. And when you look at the Hacienda Santa Ana, the birthplace of Ron del Barrilito, it is something that is really stuck and preserved in time. I really enjoy seeing people come and experience this firsthand, because when you enter the Hacienda, you feel a lot of the old ways and artisanal ways that were done back in the 1800s when the family was getting started with the production of the brand, and you still see them in effect to this day. What is the oldest rum brand in Puerto Rico being Ron del Barrilito, and how it's so rooted not only in Puerto Rican history, but in a lot of artisanal ways and practices that we continue doing to this day. I think the most special part about Ron del Barrilito has to be, one, the unique formula that we use, which differentiates our product from any other spirit that you'll find. And two, the handcrafted artisanal nature that goes into making every single bottle.